Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get your driver's license in California. So let's get started. So first of all, let's talk about the types of license that we have. So California offers several types of driver's license, but the typical one is like Class C one for the standard vehicle, and there's also a motorcycle license and a commercial license. And when it comes to the application procedure, to apply you have to visit the DMV office, or you can simply go online to fill in the form D44, and you provide your proof of identity, the social security number, and California residency, and you have to pay around $45 fee. And when it comes to the written test, so the written test consists of like 36 questions on a traffic law with a passing requirement of 30 correct answers. So you just have to study the California Driver's Handbook and you'll be ready to pass the test. And then you have the permit and the practice driving. So after passing the written test, you'll get a permit to practice driving under supervision. And if you're under 18, you must hold the permit for 6 months and log 50 hours of supervised driving. So when it comes to the road test and the license, you have to schedule and pass a road test to receive a temporary license with a permanent license mailed within 60 days. You can also apply for a real ID with additional documents and a $10 fee. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Cheers.